Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add series to your Crunchy list on the Crunchyroll application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button and select series that you are interested in. Tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on this plus icon in the middle of the screen, add to Crunchy list. Tap on create new list. Now all you have to do is typing in your list name. Tap on create list. And now your series has been successfully added to your list. If you click on the My Lists section down below, which is the second option, and click on Crunchy Lists at the top of the screen, you will be able to see your newly created list. And if you tap on it, you will be you're going to see the series that you have just added. If you tap on this three dots icon in the right side corner, or in the right side of the screen, you have the possibility to remove this item from your list by clicking on the remove button. So now it has been successfully deleted from your list. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.